Hello, US. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Miracle Workers. Today, I'm going to discuss what is SQL, facts of SQL, what is data, database, DBMS, and RDBMS, characteristics of SQL. I'm also covered advantages, disadvantages, and applications of SQL in this session. Before moving forward, I would like to request all of you to subscribe our channel Miracle Workers. Let's get started. What is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is used for storing and manipulating the data in the database. Coming to the facts of SQL. SQL was developed by Chamberlain and Boyce at IBM. SQL was initially called as SQL, that is Structured English Query Language. SQL is a powerful and declarative language. Here we have to know what is data, database, DBMS and RDBMS. Collection of information is nothing but data. The place where you can store the data is called database. DBMS stands for Database Management System. It is a software for storing and retrieving the user's data. RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. The data in RDBMS is stored in the database, which is in the form of tables. All RDBMS like MySQL, MS Access, Oracle, Sybase, Informix, Postgres, and SQL Server use SQL for communicating with the data. SQL itself not a programming language. It is a database management language. All relational database programs are in the form of database queries. So, SQL is also called as database query language. Let us discuss the characteristics of SQL. SQL can execute queries against a database. We can perform all CRUD operations on database. CRUD means create, read, update and delete. SQL can create records in a database, update records in a database and delete records from a database. SQL can set permissions on tables, processes and views. Advantages of SQL. SQL has well-defined standards. It is easy to learn and understand. So, SQL is interactive language. Coding is not required. SQL is a portable language because it can be used in PCs, servers and so on. SQL can create multiple data views. The users can make quickly and efficiently retrieve the large amount of data from the database. So, SQL has faster query processing. Coming to the disadvantage of SQL. SQL has complex interface. Some versions are costly, hence programmers cannot access it. Partial control. Complete control is not given to the database due to some hidden business rules. These are the disadvantages of SQL. Applications of SQL. SQL is used in writing data integration scripts. SQL can deal with analytical queries to analyze the data. If you have any queries or doubts, post a comment. Surely, I will clarify your doubts. See you in the next video. Thank you, friends.